In fact, let's quickly bring you some breaking inputs that we are getting in on the situation in Manipur after N. Biren Singh resigned as Manipur's chief minister. In fact, top government sources have revealed to CNN News 18 that President's rule will be imposed in Manipur. This is the big breaking input that we are bringing to you, that President's rule, which was also being weighed in as one of the options, is eventually and finally now going to be imposed in Manipur. This, of course, after N. Biren Singh resigned as Manipur's chief minister. Those breaking inputs coming in fact, from Kamalika. Let's quickly go across to Kamalika, who joins us with that breaking news story. Kamalika, what is the process of imposing the president's rule, and how will the government now ensure that the president's rule is not abused in the state?
See, right now we have to understand one thing, that the assembly session has to sit in once in 6 months, and in that case in Manipur it expires on 12th February. Tomorrow 12 o'clock. So this is the cutoff last time by which Manipur has to decide whether there is going to be a new chief minister, whether there is going to be president's rule, or what, or there is a total dissolve. They will dissolve the assembly and then go for election. These are the options which they had. What we are coming to know from our sources, all through the day there has been rounds of meeting taking place. Sambit Patra has been meeting the MLAs individually in a very informal way. He met the local MLAs and local leaders. All of them, a group of them met Sambit Patra. But somehow what we are getting it from our sources, that consensus on name of a chief minister has still not been arrived. Still they are trying. That's obviously the first thing they are going to do. But if there is a consensus, they are definitely going to come. But the consensus seems to have not arrived to a consensus till now, and that's the second alternative. That is the president's rule with a suspended animated assembly. That is the second option, and top sources tell CNN News 18 that there is a probability by tonight or by tomorrow morning, most likely by tonight, this president's rule might be imposed in Manipur. That is the biggest breaking news that is coming in this point of time from the sources. Sources tells us that since there is no other options, that's why this president's rule is likely to be imposed in Manipur.
Absolutely, and that will now ensure that all processes and in fact all the rules are now transferred from the state government over to the centre for the time being. Many thanks to you, Kamalika, for bringing us all those latest inputs. Now, with Prime Minister Narendra Modi's biggest AI push in Paris is India, the next global AI hub. We'll be bringing you all those details on the other side. Stay tuned to Plain Speak.